Go unboxing with me! Today we're unboxing some products companies sent it to me. Okay, first one. It's mask, face mask in total. Okay. Now, okay. Wow, there's dumplings in here. I think it's from the Squishy Pound company. This is squishy. And don't forget the bags. Okay, where are? Oh yeah, there's a cyan gift. The second last one. Have fun with your robes and don't forget the mask. It came with it too. Oh, that's what is it. But there's no fourth one. I think it's lost in the packaging. Okay. Last one, the pinkish red one. I like pink. Okay. Have fun. That's the letter. Okay. Let me sign it. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna get some pajamas. Let me put in my closet. It's super cute. Okay, second one. Snack time. I need to eat. Okay. Okay. Where were I? Yes, snack time. Oh yeah. So water. There you go. I thought it came in handy. Okay, and there you go. There you go. There you go. And okay, there you go, Mom. Wait. Okay. I just need a little. It's okay. Yeah, sugar. Okay, there you go. There you go, Mom. Don't want it? Okay. Bye, guys, for the unboxing video.